Oh, you're so gentle. Yeah, hey, baby. He loves his capsicum seeds. And he's so gentle. Aww. You're so gentle. Who's a baby? Yeah, hello, gorgeous. It's my boy. Say hello. We're having seeds, aren't we? Capsicum seeds. You want another one? Yeah? Yeah? See how gentle you are. Oh, you didn't like that one. This one. Oh. Is that nice, Echo? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yeah, is that yummy? Good girl, baby. Can you show them how you give kisses? Give kiss? Kiss? Mwah. Good boy. Gorgeous boy. You give mum a kiss? Mwah. Good boy. Give kisses. Yeah, you're beautiful, aren't you? I'm my beautiful baby. Yeah. Hanging out, mum? Yeah. Hanging out, mum? Yeah. Is that you? Yeah, you love doing that, don't you? Yeah. You're a cheeky boy. Yeah, you're a cheeky boy. Cheeky boy. Cheeky boy. Hi, cheeky boy. So Echo still loves getting her pats, but he's not happy about it. He gets really jealous. Yeah, so I kind of have to leave him in one room and then go spend some time with Echo. Hey, darling. So Echo's still being a bit bitey. Now, but he's decided he's going to come over here and he's going to eat in my ear with his capsicum. Yes. Is that nice? Yeah, you're putting it all over me. Thank you so much. That's all I can hear. Can you guys hear that? Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh, thank you. You're flicking it all over me. Yeah, you're getting it everywhere. You're such a beautiful boy. Yeah. Aren't you? Are you two flirting with each other? Hey. Is she flirting with you, buddy? Yeah? Give Echo a kiss. Give Echo a kiss. Mwah. Kisses. Hey. Say love you, Echo. Yeah, love you. Hey, baby. You two are so beautiful together. Yeah, you're so beautiful. Oh.